And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add funds to Google Play balance. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add funds on your Google Play balance, you can redeem your Google Play gift cards, use digital gift codes, or redeem Play points for credits. So you can also add a payment method like a credit card or debit card and then purchase Play credit to your Google account to add your balance. So to redeem a gift card or gift codes, simply open your Google Play apps. So once you open your Google Play app, you need to go on your profile, and once you're in your profile, you need to simply tap on payments and subscription and then simply redeem gift code. Now enter the gift code and follow the on-screen instructions to redeem it. Or you can also add a payment method, like you can add a preferred credit card, debit card, and follow the on-screen prompts to add payment method. And once you have done this, simply tap on buy Google Play credit. Select the amount you want to add and follow the instructions. So this is how you can add funds to your Google Play balance. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.